Your body launches a 100-mile-per-hour explosion. But why do you sneeze? It all starts with tiny invaders, dust, pollen, pepper, sneaking into your nose. Your brain's sneeze center in the medulla sounds the alarm. And boom! Your diaphragm contracts, eyes shut, and you launch a micro-missile of air to eject the irritant. Here's the wild part. Your sneeze can launch up to 40,000 droplets. That's like a mini biological fireworks show. And yes, people do sneeze in sunlight. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and 1 in 3 of us have it. And that achoo? It's not just drama. It's your body's final warning shot to evacuate danger. Next time you sneeze, remember you just launched an ancient reflex that dates back millions of years. Subscribe for more insane body facts in 60 seconds or less. Don't miss what your body's hiding from you.